Hello, I'm going to explain the beginning of the universe and how it came to be. Some people reject the idea that there had to be a starting point to our universe. They claim that the universe had no beginning and that it just goes back for an infinite amount of time. However, this view is rejected by modern-day scientists including Stephen Hawking. The notion that the universe had no starting point fails to acknowledge one of the laws of nature governing our universe. That is, that for every cause there is an effect. In other words, if there were a row of dominoes falling over, there would have to be a very first domino that was tipped over in order to cause that chain reaction to be set forth in the first place. Most people who understand that there had to be a beginning to the universe are unable to explain how a beginning can exist that required no event to cause it to exist. Luckily for us, just because there was an uncaused beginning for our universe doesn't mean that it cannot be explained. The evidence strongly suggests that the universe is expanding, including space itself. This means there is more space than there once was. This is why scientists believe that the universe started out at a single point around 13 billion years ago. This point is called the Big Bang. The law of nature governing our universe, which states that for every cause there is an effect, does not apply to the Big Bang because it existed before the universe, therefore it was not part of the universe. In fact, the Big Bang was the beginning of the universe, including matter, space, and time itself. There was no time before the Big Bang because time didn't exist yet. The Big Bang required no time to exist, so there was no event before the Big Bang. It just existed in timelessness. This is possible because the Big Bang started as a point of energy without dimensions or mass. Something that has no dimensions or mass would take up no space. Without space, there is no time because they are tied together. Energy has no mass, takes up no space, and it cannot be created or destroyed. So energy existed without space and time in the beginning, and then the point of energy expanded, creating space and time. According to the dictionary, energy can convert to mass and back again. So the energy then converted to mass and matter, which makes up the stars and planets and life. As you can see, science supports a beginning to the universe, and that is why most scientists accept the Big Bang theory, which suggests a beginning.